Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lollipops at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and light corn syrup. You will also need your favorite flavor extracts and food coloring to make them vibrant. Don't forget essential tools like lollipop sticks and a reliable candy thermometer. Proper preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy-making experience for everyone. Now, let's get cooking. Combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a sturdy saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once boiling, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue cooking until the temperature reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is the crucial moment to carefully stir in your desired flavor extract, like cherry or strawberry, and a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant hue. Work quickly. Pour the hot mixture into your prepared lollipop molds or onto a greased baking sheet. Remember to insert the lollipop sticks before the candy sets completely. Now for the best part: cooling and enjoying your creations. Let your lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. Once hardened, gently twist or pop them out of their molds. To keep them fresh and prevent stickiness, wrap each lollipop individually in small cellophane bags. Store your delightful, homemade treats in an airtight container for lasting enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.